Students, this is 174th maths class. So, right. Let us continue finding tangents and normals. Even in the last class, I discussed the same thing. Even in the last class, I discussed the same thing. Finding tangents and normals. Second question, one more question. So, y equals x cube at 1 comma 1 at 1 comma 1. So look at this, students. 1 comma 1. So okay, right. Point given, slope required. Here it is asked to find out equations of tangent and normal. Tangent's equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Normal's equation is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Let us go for finding slope. So dy by dx is dy by dx x cube 3x square at 1 comma 1. Slope. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1 is slope. You find out slope, students. Put x is equal to 1, y is also 1. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X 1. 1 square 1. 1 into 3, 3. Now I am having both point and slope. Both point and slopes are ready. Let us go for finding a tangent normal. So tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute in that. Y minus 1 m is 3, x minus 1 multiply by 3. So y minus 1 equals 3x minus 3. Rearrange, students, rearrange. You send these two terms to right side. 3x minus 3, y that side minus y minus 1 that side means plus 1, 0. So tangent is 3x minus y, 3x minus y, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 is equal to 0. I got the tangent equation, students. I got the tangent equation. Let us find normal equation. Normal equation. Normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Substitute in that. So y minus y1 is 1 minus 1 by m is 3 x minus x1. Tell me x1 value, students. 1 x minus x1. Cross multiply this 3 this side. 3 into y 3y minus 3 into 1 3y minus 3 multiply x minus 1 by minus 1 multiply by minus 1 minus 1 into x minus into minus plus 1 minus x plus 1. Bring rearrange x plus 3y minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Sorry, bring that 1 this side. Minus 3 minus 1 0 plus x plus 3y minus 3 minus 1. So x plus 3y minus 4 equals 0. So we got the normal. Let us solve one more question, students. So I am going to explain how to find tangents normals. Next question is, so write x equals cos t. Next question, x equals cos t. So y equals sin t at, so t equals pi by 4 at t equals pi by 4. In this case, parametric equations are given. So we are given parametric equations. So you know how to find out dy by dx whenever parametric equations are given. Let's go for that. Let us do that. So right, students. To find tangent and normal, slope required, point required. Slope required, point required. Using this t value, find out point first. So x value. So x is equal to cos pi by 4. So 1 by root 2. So y is equal to sin pi by 4. So 1 by root 2. So we got the point. Point is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Finding point is over. Now let's find slope. Slope dx by dt, dy by dt. So dx by dt. So differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. Minus sin t. So dy by dt. Dy by dt. Differentiation of sin t is cos t. Cos t. Now you write dy by dx. So dy by dx. Tell me dy value cos t by dx value minus sin t minus cos theta by sin theta cot theta cot theta cot t. Now let's find the slope of the tangent at the given t value. So m equals, so dy by dx at, so t equals pi by 4 is m equals dy by dx at t equals pi by 4 is, substitute in that, minus cot pi by 4. So tan 45 1, cot 45 is also 1. So how much is slope? Minus 1. Now you write tangent and normal. So tangent is, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is y1, x1 y1, 1 by root 2 is equal to m minus 1 into x minus x1 is 1 by root 2. Multiply by minus 1. Y minus 1 by root 2 minus x plus. Multiply by minus 1. Minus x, minus into minus plus 1 by root 2. Bring x down this side, send minus 1 by root 2 right side. X plus y is equal to, x plus y is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Same denominators add the numerators. Go for finding LCM. Denominators are same, add the numerators directly. 1 plus 1, 2. It is 2 by root 2. You write that 2 as root 2 whole square. So root 2 whole square by root 2. Root 2 get cancels. Finally, tangent is x plus y. Bring the root to this side. Minus root 2 is equal to 0. We found the tangent equation, students. Let us go for finding a normal equation. Normal. Let us find a normal. Normal is, so normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by m is minus 1. X minus x1 is 1 by root 2. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Y minus 1 by root 2 minus plus x minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 get cancels. Because if I bring minus 1 by root 2 this side plus 1 by root 2. So we are getting y is equal to x enough. Or you write x minus y equals 0 normal. We found both tangent and normal. Let us continue solving similar type of questions. This type of questions, students, I hope you understood. So right. Now let us solve this. Next question is find the equations of tangent and normal. Find the next question is find the equation of the tangent and normal. Tangent and normal to the curve. So to the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at 1 comma 1 at 1 comma 1. Again students, point given, slope required. Differentiate the curve, you are going to get slope. By having point and slope, you can easily write tangent equation, tangent normal. So write solution. So differentiate. So n 2 by 3 n into 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. Differentiation of power over. Now you think of differentiating base. Differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiated power 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1. Differentiating that power over. Now you differentiate y. Differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to, so differentiation of constant 0. Simplify this LCM 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1. LCM. What is LCM? 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2 minus 3 1s are 3 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3 plus, so 2 by 3 y power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx 0. Send this term right side. You send this to right side, students. So write 2 by 3 y power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx. If I send this right side, plus becomes minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3. So write 2 by 3 get cancels. Bring this down. So dy by dx equals minus x power minus 1 by 3 by y power minus 1 by 3. Interchange. So dy by dx equals minus y power 1 by 3 by x power 1 by 3 minus, you bring x power minus 1 by 3 to the denominator, it becomes plus. You send y power minus 1 by 3 to numerator, again it becomes plus. So write cube root of y by x. Cube root of y by x. Now let us find slope at given point. M is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to at 1 comma 1. Slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1. Substitute in that minus cube root of 1 by 1. So 1. How much is cube root of 1, students? 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now write tangent. Tangent is, so tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute in that. So y minus 1 m minus 1 into x minus 1 x1 multiply by minus y minus 1 minus x plus 1. So rearrange minus x minus 1 minus plus 1. So this implies x plus y. X plus y minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. We got tangent equation. Now let us go for writing a normal equation. Normal. So normal is, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 1. I think it is 1. Point is 1. Minus 1 by m is minus 1. X minus 1. So simplify. Y minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 1. X minus 1. Minus 1 get cancels. Y is equal to x or x minus y is equal to 0. We got normal equation. Now let us find, go for solving one more equation. One more question, students. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. So find the equation of find the equation of tangent to the curve. So x equals a sin cube t, comma y equals b cos cube t at, so t equals pi by 2. Here it is asked to find out only tangent. Normal is not asked. Carefully solve. First let us find point, students. Solution. Put t is equal to pi by 2 in that. X equals a sin cube pi by 2. A sin cube t is pi by 2. That is a sin 91. Sin 91. 1 cube is 1. It is a into 1 a. We got x value, point, y value. Y equals b cos cube pi by 2. So b cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. 0 cube is 0. 0 cube is 0. 0. We got the point. Tell me point, students. A comma 0. A comma 0. Finding slope required. Differentiate that. dx by dt. So dx by dt. A into. Start differentiating from power. Start differentiating from power. 3 sin square t. X power n. X power n into x power n minus 1. 3 sin power 3 minus 1 2t. Differentiating is power over constant into function. Keep the constant as it is. After differentiating power, so you come for base. Differentiation of sin t is cos t. Cos t. Again differentiation of t. You think of differentiating t. Differentiation of t is 1 because with respect to t, differentiation of denominator variable, differentiation of denominator variable is always 1. Now you find dy by dt. So dy by dt. So b into start differentiating from power 3 cos square t. 3 cos square t. So differentiating is power over. Now you think of differentiating cos t. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. Minus sin t. So okay students. Now you write dy by dx. So dy by dx. So tell me dy value. Dy value minus 3p cos square t into sin t by dx value 3a sin square t cos t. 3a sin square t cos t. 3 get cancels. Cos t get cancels. Sin t get cancels. 3 cos sin. Remaining will be cos by sin. What is cos by sin? Cot. So minus b by a cot t. Now let us find slope. So dy by dx at t equals pi by 2. So minus b by a cot pi by 2. So tan 90 infinity. Cot 90 0. Tan 90 infinity, reciprocal of infinity is 0. Therefore, cot 90 must be 0. 0 into everything is 0. So we got slope. Now you write tangent. So tangent is so y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Substitute in that. So point is a0. So y minus y1 is, how much is y1? 0. M into m, tell me slope. 0 into m is 0 into x minus x1 is a. Y minus x1 y1 0. M into x minus x1. 0 into everything is 0. Y minus 0, y is equal to 0. Is the required equation of tangent. Normal is not asked. So remaining we shall discuss in the next class, students. Thank you so much.